Some SEO tools can't see this, but AEO tools can. Ahrefs tracks rankings, whereas SEMrush tracks keywords, and Google Analytics measures your traffic. But here's the question your entire SEO stack still can't answer in 2026. Is AI recommending your business, brand, or product over your competitors? And it's the most important question if you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, or you're paying for SEO tools every single month. You can't keep ignoring where do you show up in all of these AI tools like Grok, Perplexity, ChatGPT, Gemini, AI overviews, etc. The click may never happen, and your dashboard in Google Analytics will never see the loss. So that's what we're building at DataNerds, so you can actually track where are you being mentioned and cited in brands, and is it turning into conversions and sales for your business. Now, let's look at what's changed. Gartner predicted search engine volume would drop by 25% in 2026 as users shift to AI assistants. In 2025, SimilarWeb reported that ChatGPT consistently has 3 billion users globally every single month. Google AI overviews expanded to hundreds of millions of users and now appear in a massive percentage of commercial queries. Multiple 2025 studies show that when AI summaries appear, click through rates decline significantly on your existing SEO and on your paid ads. That is crazy. I cannot for the life of me, after nearly 15 years of running Google ads, can understand why Google would put an AI overview over their $350 billion a year business of Google ads. It is crazy to me, but let me make it simple. Search behavior is no longer synonymous with search traffic. A growing share of discovery is happening before the click. Now, here's the core problem. Traditional SEO measures ranking, clicks, backlinks, and impressions. But AI systems are making decisions differently. Which brands to mention, which sources to cite, which comparisons to summarize, and which products to shortlist. If AI says top AI search analytics tools include DataNerds or Searchable or SEMrush, and then you're not listed, there's a lost opportunity that your SEO will never tell you about. There's no ranking drop, there's no traffic drop. You're just silently excluded from the mentions, and you want to know when this is happening. So, what can you actually do, and how do AEO tools measure what happens inside these new AI LLMs? Number one is mentions. How often is your AI name or your brand actually mentioned? Number two, how often does AI actually cite your business link or product link or website to actually send traffic to your business? What is your AI share of voice? Now, we've had a tough time analyzing how to properly show this to our users, but prompt by prompt, how often do you appear versus your competitors? The first thing that we do is we run anywhere from 1,000 to 25,000 prompts about your business or product to see where you show up already. Now, we're running these prompts and can easily track it back to your website. The last part is the source page extraction. Which of your pages does AI actually pull from? You have to make sure that your entire website is crawlable by these LLMs. So your SEO will measure your Google outcomes. Your AEO stack will measure the AI decisions and where you show up in these prompts. In 2026, these decisions matter more than the position of your old SEO ranking or how high on the first page of Google you are. Nowadays, I would say like people aren't even going to the second page of Google anymore. There's no reason to go to the second page of Google. So now there's hundreds of millions, if not billions, of interactions daily with all of these LLMs. And buyers are starting to ask, what's the best AI search analytics for B2B SaaS? Top alternatives to any competitor. What's better for AI visibility? If your brand isn't inside that answer set, you're not even going to end up showing up in these LLMs. And this isn't an anti SEO video. I strongly believe SEO is still a very important thing you should be doing for your business. But it still only builds authority, credibility, and trust. Whereas AEO is going to determine whether the AI systems trust you and your business, and they're going to use that authority to actually cite your business to drive more traffic to your business. So here's the loop on how we run every search we do at DataNerds for your business. Baseline AI visibility, map high intent prompts, build structured pillar pages, track AI share a voice, and then iterate monthly, if not weekly, depending on how much capacity you and your team have. This is measurable and it compounds. What tools are you currently using to track your AI visibility? If the answer is none, you're not alone. If you want to see the AEO layer that your SEO tools can't see, you can run a free visibility report on DataNerds, link below. It shows mentions, citations, and which prompts you're actually winning. And to be completely transparent, the whole reason that we are doing this is I have been running Google AdWords accounts for 15 years. We are currently doing this for 5 of our own businesses and products that we run. We are currently seeing triple-digit traffic growth from the LLMs every single month. There's no reason for us to even sell this product to anyone. Candidly, it's making enough money for our own businesses that we just want to be able to share it with the world. And what I've seen in this industry so far is that a majority of the tools cost $500 to $1,500 a month. And that's why at Dad Nerds, we're going to do it for 50 bucks. We're going to make it the cheapest. We're going to race everyone to the bottom. Because at the end of the day, we're not doing this to make money. We're doing this because I really think you can gain a lot of traffic from AI search engines, and they're only going in one direction. That is up and to the right. And the reason that I say that is my mother, for example, is starting to use ChatGPT. My wife is using ChatGPT now. It's a new way to search the web. You don't actually need to go to Google anymore. So many people are realizing it's easier to talk to an AI assistant. And we want to ensure that businesses and products are going to be recommended by these AI assistants. And we strongly believe we can help businesses with that. So stay tuned. We're going to be posting these at least a couple times a week. I'm really excited to be building this new business and sharing the journey along the way. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.